Dr. Betts, and I'm here today to talk to you about community efforts towards thwarting COVID-19. For 85 years, the National Council of Negro Women has championed efforts to empower, engage, and educate women and children in communities of color. COVID-19 has only galvanized their efforts, in which they have created the Good Health Women's Immunization Network, or Good Health Wins. The Good Health Wins initiative starts with education, whether that's community-based education on health, voter education, community education, or community advocacy. Whatever it is, they work diligently to make sure that members of the community that are underserved in many cases have what they need to succeed. The San Antonio Alumni chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi collaborated with a local chapter, the Ruth Jones McClendon section, to ensure that we got the word out about the importance of vaccination. What you're going to see in these next few videos are efforts of collaboration, grassroots, as well as pride in improving the health that you deliver. So let's take a look at what some of their efforts have done.
Good afternoon, I'm Jimmy Chambers. I'm the Polemark, the president of San Antonio Alumni Chapter of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. We got a great event going on here at Resurrection Church. A lot of things our chapter does for the community of San Antonio is get out and get people involved, and health and wellness is a huge part of that. In conjunction with that, we also do voters registration. Voting is always an important thing to do, so we like to get as many people registered to vote and get out to actually vote as possible if we can. We're inviting everybody to come on out here and get vaccinated so we can get through this global pandemic.
I'm Valerie Ryford. I'm the Executive Director of Radical Registrars. Our mission is to empower, engage, and educate voters across Central Texas through civic education and voter mobilization. Our vision is to create a generation of young, BIPOC, LGBTQ+, marginalized voters who vote informed every single election. We are partnered with Black Voters Matter, as well as the Kappas here today, and our goal is just to really get as many people registered to vote as possible and then educated and empowered to go and vote informed every single time. Let your family and friends know, because we create voter guides specific to the issues affecting Black, brown, marginalized communities.
We are AD&T Solutions Home Health, and we're also AD&T Caring Hospice. The main thing with our business is home health. So if people are homebound and they're coming out of the hospital or a skilled nursing facility, that's where we come in and we can handle that, and we would send a nurse or a therapist to their home.
And there are a lot of home health agencies in San Antonio and the surrounding areas, but what makes us different is that we are locally owned, we're minority owned, woman owned, and we're very proud of that because we don't have a corporate entity telling us what we have to do. Our focus is on the customer, it's on the patient, and there are a lot of families that are sandwiched. And so if there are folks that are working and unable to really provide the care for their loved ones at home, that's where we come in, whether it's personal care, does not need a doctor diagnosis, or it is home health and they do need a physician diagnosis. We're here and we're going to provide that concierge service that you need.
We're looking for more opportunities to serve our community with our experience and bringing in professionals also to come in and help support the community as well.
Today we're at a community event sponsored by Resurrection Church and Kappa Alpha Psi. The Galen students are here to administer COVID-19 injections to the public, to the 18 and up. And this is a great community event for them to get vaccinated.
One of the great things is you're able to give back to the community. It's great to be able to be a part of that and just to make sure that everybody's getting vaccinated. It's so important that we all are vaccinated and just prevent COVID. You know, we want to get back to all those things we love and just, you know, getting back to life. So it's always great to be a part of that.
COVID-19 has impacted all lives. However, as noted by the CDC data, communities of color are more likely to be hospitalized, receive ICU care, and most importantly, have higher mortality rates. Is it just information that has not gotten disseminated to improve individuals' choices in regards to whether to vaccinate or not? The San Antonio Alumni Chapter has made health a priority, but health not only in the sense of your physical health, but your mental, social well-being as well. at this event, they collaborated with other organizations to ensure that they registered individuals to vote. They also worked to galvanize education, whether that's due to hypertension, diabetes, cholesterol management, through the engagement with a local nursing college to bring those folks in to provide even more efforts to increase awareness. Whether it's COVID vaccinations or education about overall lifestyle health, the San Antonio Alumni Chapter has made it a priority, and their efforts will continue. So if you'd like to partner with them in future endeavors, you can find them at the website below, on Instagram, or you can contact them directly. Again, thank you. This is Dr. Batts.